دوستان I got a few seconds که براتون راجع به most exclusive Persian New Year's Eve of Toronto صحبت کنم. Persian Royale the second year at Westin Prince Hotel December 31st right here at Taj Arab. So let me tell you what's going to happen on December 31st. It's going to be awesome. It's going to be off the hook. This is one of the most exclusive parties in Toronto. اون شب یه لایو بند خیلی باحال تاشارا رو داریم. I'm going to be DJing for you all night long. So that's going to be your entertainment. Plus ساعت 7:30 در که باز میشه red carpet live saxophone reception. It's open premium bar all night long, and then we have dinner. You can select anything from the menu, appetizers, desserts, you got it all. Champagne, party favors, we don't know what else you can ask for.
وجودم گرمی نگاه تو کم داره با تو بودم به دلم شادی رو میاره نگام کن عزیزم به چشمات اسیرم نذار که تو حسرت عشقت بمیرم بیا که به خدا هم نفست میشم هر روزا هر شبم دل و پست میشم دلم با تو و عشق تو جون میگیره اگه نباشی دل روزی هزار بار میمیره
December 31st, Persian Royale number 2. Don't forget, if you want to get into this exclusive VIP party, then you need to act right now. Go to www.veryvip.ca or call us at 416-616-1614. If you're lucky enough to be with us, or if we're lucky to party with you, you need to act right now. Otherwise, who knows, we might not see each other until next year. But anyways, have an amazing one.